Hello today, guys. Here we are. I'm standing at a Massey Ferguson inline baler. It's a 1840, as you can see. But yeah, Huber's is letting us demo it here. It got a hydraulic pickup. We need to use a hammer strap to hook it up. It got on each side, it has room for 5 twine rolls. It doesn't have a sheet, it doesn't have a thrower like the New Holland does. So we are going to try this out sometime soon. I think I had 300 bales or something ran through it. There's a counter at it here. Counter's on the other side on. I reset it, but I think it was like 300 on the counter or something. Here's the knotters. Looks the exact same as the New Holland. Everything just in a line now. So yeah. It got a knotter fan, so it keeps all the dust from getting with the knotters and everything. So there's your wire. I guess if you want to put like a moisture tester on or anything. Yeah. So there should be a video here soon of us using this. I'm gonna try to take a video of it, but counts on what I'm doing if I'm making be able to get a video on it. So you guys, we got one of these shoots on it. But over here is the New Holland baler. Counting on how much we like that baler. I get one, but here's the New Holland 575. It's kind of like the exact same as the BC 5070, but they did change a couple things up on it. Got a hydraulic cone swing. Not a hydraulic pickup though. It got room for 6 compared to 10 over there. It got this crop saver acid thing on it. Over here, the knotters. Those things are like the exact same as what's on that over there. So, but this one does have a thrower on it. I guess if we would want to run one, have a thrower, like if we would need to use a, I guess if we would buy that one, we would buy a thrower for it. But yeah. So yep. You guys have a good day. See ya.